Darshna, I'm just very keen, and even the viewers are keen. Okay, why did you think? Okay, why did you plan? To go for handwriting improvement classes. I mean, there are many other teachers training courses offered, like which will help you to work part time. But then, why did you think that yes, this is the course for me?
Uh, at that time I was searching for a work from home opportunity, and I came across your advertisement.
Okay.
And I thought it is the best, and it was my best decision ever because it gave a turning point to my career. My daughter was 2 years at that time when I joined your course, and as you said, like the day the course ends, from the next day you can start. And I started, and it worked, and it's still working. At present, I have students across the globe, from 4 years to students preparing for various competitive exams like UPSC, etc. So now there's no looking back, no going back to job. Now I'm taking classes online, offline, and we have registrations before vacations for the whole vacations. I'm booked for the whole vacations now.
Of course. That's wonderful. I mean, that is the story of almost all the teachers of Kunjalat classes. Just a moment. Yeah. So, yes. So, I mean, it is like very interesting to see that as a mother of 2-year-old, you started, and now what, you're doing a commendable job. Okay. So, it is really wonderful to see that. Now, very importantly, like few quick questions. So, have you done this course with us online or offline?
Yes, obviously it was online, and I never felt like it was online because when I did handwriting improvement from you. I did 3 calligraphy courses, Canva course from you, और किसी भी course में I never felt that it was online, because you take care of each and every aspect. It's not just like making the teacher train for handwriting. It's a complete package that makes us that gives us a new career. It makes us edupreneur. So that was something, and the most important thing that I noted is that जब तक वो एक स्ट्रोक सही नहीं हो जाता, आप कभी भी आगे नहीं बढ़ते. Like even if it's a batch of 20 or 50, वो जो perfection आपको चाहिए, जब तक वो हर आपके टीचर में नहीं होता, you never move forward. And that's the best quality I've ever seen. So I never felt that it's online course until now.